Hey guys, this is Rakesh. I'm teaching about the today very important topic. This is a lot of people asking question here. A lot of times people are explaining in my YouTube comment box also will be here. In coming to my channel, people asking one question here. Sir, why we can connecting for uh, Facebook page into Instagram? What is the option purpose? What is the option purpose? First, I'll tell you that in this Facebook will connect to Instagram. Main purpose, if anybody comment on Facebook page and Instagram, will be reply for instant and away message reply purpose. And what are the content you can sharing? Instagram to FB page, not for profile, and FB page to Instagram. Here nothing required third party tools. Nothing required for third party tools. Greeting message, instant reply, away message, everything will be here. Coming to this one, first Facebook page we can go for inbox. In this page option will be here. The call will be here, Facebook and Instagram. So still not connecting for Instagram here. Everything first of all check. Instagram direct, not connect. Messenger, not connect. All message, not connect. Auto response, not connected. When you click for edit option, we can see here they showing for Instagram and Facebook option, instant reply, edit it. Once will we connect, they're showing for two option. Which one? Facebook and Instagram purpose. The connecting for Facebook page to Instagram main reason for the complete step. Messenger chat to content will be sharing Instagram to Facebook page and Facebook page to Instagram without using third party tools. What are the parameters are more important? We can check. First, how will we connect? So a lot of people asking one question. So I'm connecting but unable to post. First check the each and every brief points. What are the brief points are required? First of all, go to settings. Who will be Facebook page admin? They can connecting for Instagram account. They will connect Instagram account. First of all here, we can check the page role. Are you admin or editor or any option? So if you're admin, go ahead. First of all, Instagram. Connect to Instagram. The already same browser your login will be compulsory need. Just you can check it out. So first of all, I'm login by in this option. Now login will be start. Now you can go for save info or what is the either not now anything option will be here. First I'm connecting for where? Facebook page to Instagram option. Here, first of all, set all accounts will be compulsory important. First, you can check for all option will be here. Once again, you're asking for login and password. You can enter here. Now, I'm enter the password. Click for login. How many time it asks will be login? Compulsory login will be mandatory field. Now we can start here. This is one of my client I have to show on your my particular channel. So any doubt, please ask me in the my particular channel will be here. I'm always support what are the information required. I'll make it video for this one. If any further issues, please comment me on the particular comment box option. Here will be what are the details you collected here. You can select in for in this option. Click for done. Here, just it will be take time. Just you can go for refresh it. So this will be fix some problem with the Instagram team. Don't worry about that. They will be fixed for the sometimes. So everything will be here. After that, synchronize your information here. This compulsory important in your particular option will be here. So this connection will be done on a particular option will be here. Next, the page will be connecting for Instagram. Guys, if you got any error, that is first of all read the error, that not your error will be here. After that, go to Instagram here. Next, we'll be connecting for facebook.com/creator studio. This compulsory important. What are the pages you connect? Compulsory connecting for Instagram. Here we'll be connecting for Instagram here. When this connecting will be done, so Instagram to we can share by Facebook page, and Facebook to page to be sharing for Instagram option. Now first I'm logging this option here. So here I'm connecting in this option. Login. Login will be done. Successful be account was activated by here. Now you can start your posting will be here. Once starting posting, the showing for your Facebook page will be here. Compulsory. Just I'm posting any sample one. Just upload. I'm posting for one documentation. Any option will be here. So just I'm selecting image and click for Facebook page option without adding image or video. When you're selecting for Facebook Creator Studio, we have to option will be given by the image and the video option will be there. Suppose I'm not adding here, just you can go for it in this. I'm selecting for another image here. Sample. Click for publish. At a time we'll be posting for Facebook page and particular Instagram here. The post has been successful will be done by Facebook and Instagram. Now check for refresh. So connection is how much done you is the option, and posting also very important on your particular Facebook page and Instagram. So you're done just now, sample one. If you're not required, who will be posting just now? They not give any information who will be posting this option. Now coming to the Instagram, select here Instagram here, select it, here will be there, select all option will be here. So in this you have to use the in a particular option. Suppose you want delete this option, simple. So where it is selecting for refresh, sample image will be selected here. We can posting for and remove all option will be given by in the particular, delete it. This post will be showing will be posting is done. Just now refresh. The image was not available by your account. That mean by the delete by the your particular account option. Now this will be done. Here we can publishing for videos and photos by using Creator Studio, Instagram to Facebook. Now we have one question is there. So how we can sharing for Facebook page to Instagram? In this purpose, username will be same. We can have to using for business dot. We can use option will be Google will be here. I am writing for Facebook / your username. Just username, everything same. Here business.facebook.com/ your username. After coming to this option, when you have to posting, this will be here in this connecting for Instagram also. Is asking for login and a password. You enter the password and connect here. Just enter the password here. Password, click for login. Now, same. Only image can possible, video can't possible, Facebook to Instagram. Now you can select Instagram also. It I'm sharing for Facebook and Instagram also. Now you can post it. Further doubts are there. Same image, just now posting. Once coming to Creator Studio, we have is not like image. Remove from delete here. And Facebook also. If you don't like any kind of posting, here select it, the particular post. What are the posts you want, and delete the particular post also will be here. In every option will be there in a particular post option. This will be everything. So here just I'm using this refresh. Two things I'm explaining. One is called to sharing for Instagram to Facebook. we can done by post. For Instagram to Facebook time, image and video also applicable. How much video will be? 60-second video. When sharing for Facebook to Instagram, only image can possible. And one more important option, we can go to inbox. We have to select by the automated inbox message. Now create Instagram. Previous what is showing for connect Instagram is there. No option will be there. Coming to auto response. Coming to the instant reply, when click for edit in this year, we have to enable this message. When we have to connecting for all will be in this particular option. Messenger, all messenger option. In this we have to setting for the go to setting option. We have to setting for greeting message option will be here. The compulsory mandatory field. When enable your greeting message, now we'll be starting for to activate on the particular option. Some people asking one question. Here one more method is there. In my setting, now my message tab will be not visible to the user. That purpose, we have to go to general. The option is called message. Here we can check the message box is enabled or not. And activate, you have to auto reply message to activate Facebook page and Instagram. So these futures all will be connecting to Facebook to Instagram option. First thing, you have to sharing for Facebook to Instagram main purpose to share the content Instagram to Facebook page, image and videos possible by using Facebook Creator Studio. By using mobile app, both are will be flexible by the option. Second thing is called to be connecting for Facebook to Instagram. Only we can sharing photos. Links sharing is not possible by the Facebook page to Instagram option. So this is a parameter we have to know that to connecting for Facebook business page to Instagram account. And one Facebook page will be connected only for one Instagram account. Please follow the rules and instruction connecting the video. And any further doubts, please comment me on my particular channel. I definitely help on the particular your questions. Please share, like, subscribe our particular YouTube channel.